blazed. I would walk by that Indian place.
See that lighter?
Yes, sir.
Oh, what a loaf.
Let's do this. It's another purple. And they can put that on a t-shirt and then sell it back to the Indian place and right here at Jerry's.
Ah, yeah.
Hey, how about that? That gets it. We used a Nikon to photograph the mother loaf and the lighter to end all lighter.
Keep it herbal. Stay roasting.
Thank you. I'll get up next time.
Stay there.
When it falls on them and they kind of nail it, it's just brand new. It's just no kidding. I start laughing.
Well, it's good to reinforce what's going on.
Yeah.
Make it very clear. We're advocating morning, noon, and night use.
Yeah, it's true. We're sitting outside, standing there.
And we're also saying, if you need a toke, we may give you one. If you're hurting, you need a toke, we got you.
Yeah, there's no time. Yes, it is. It's in there. It's in the game.
Yeah.
EA Sports.
Be the ball.
Tell you what, I'm ready to slap up a console in that fucking place. And every time the Wizards in town say, all right, grab a controller for this, and it'll wax your ass in fucking basketball. Get your game.
Oh, yeah.
I love that fucking thing. It's all in good fun, but I half mean everything I'm saying.
The Wizard.
Dunk on your ass. You get a sense of kind of Bitcoin for video games. You have so much stock, and then you got to get your players. You make a team. You make a team. You have certain rules. No one's over 6'5". Your team, everyone's got to be 6'10". You lose something there.
It's all pawns, huh? All right, let's see what happens, I guess. Queen check. Yeah, I wonder how many games that guy was getting in New Orleans right now. Had to give him a game. Can't walk by a guy with a board and not give him a game, you know?
And I know how you take people, and he doesn't really do that. And you know him now, isn't he? He's a homie.
Oh, yeah, okay, you know, dude. We're making a video either way. You're going to be a star of the video, so even if you beat me real fast, it's still a good video.
And he had his luck. He had his hustle ring on.
Oh, yeah.
His face, thumbnail. I love it. Here we go.
And then he relaxed more. As he knew he was in trouble, he was gracious about it. He relaxed into it.
I love the camera getting cut out with the whole concept.
Oh, yeah. Leave the fans, leave them wanting more.
We all love that shit. Jack Johnson, 1909, in the middle of Reno, boxing some giant guy from the Great White Hope they had. And they cut the camera when Jack Johnson started getting over on this guy.
There you go.
1909 footage, classic. Boom, cut. They had a big.
Jack Johnson, he was great, dude. He was.
And right in your face. It's not like he got caught with the Mann Act, taking a woman across the line.
They warned him. They're going to catch him somewhere.
He said, I'm going to go to my weighted
But he said he didn't care. They're going to get him anyway.
Yes,
so live big, dude. Live big.
Yeah.
John, you got the whole bio.
I love Jack Johnson. I can always see that guy, man.
Oh, yeah.
He was way beyond his time, dude. Way beyond
Big
his
time. The way he stood on that stick, and his was just the show. Remember that? He just standing on his stick like that, just to the
Did I tell you about Cassius Clay yet?
About his namesake.
Yeah, we're good. That's another big person.
Oh, yeah. So, Mr. Clay, you have this huge house in Louisville. How's it feel to regrets? I don't own a damn thing. Some white man owned it 200 years before me, and some other son of a bitch is going to have it after. Yeah. Oh. Don't cheat to that. Yeah, my father's generation, those guys didn't want to hear. Muhammad Ali, Cassius Clay. That's all you hear. Bake it for a pig, bourbon. What do you got? Clinkety clank? Oh, yeah.
It's a dot. It's a dot. Yeah.
Yes.
The VIPs are here. The VIPs.
Man, that's a straight shot.
go for
Yeah,
hours.
right.
What are you doing?
Just
Look at
shooting.
that damn near fucking
Just
jack.
shooting up, yeah.
And that are like Bob Hope. Santa Monica, but probably Valley. Thank you, Bob. I appreciate the stuff.
The LOAF.
And some of it's optical, but he's bolting to the 30,000 foot level.